So recently, I was playing the strongest battleground, but the thing is, I was up against a Tatsumaki spammer. Ugh, I hate these guys. And since they're spammers, they're extremely good at one thing: spamming and running. Now I know that's two things, but it's two in one package, alright? Okay, so yes. So I don't like that. So I'm gonna see how good it actually is to use Tatsumaki. I'm becoming the thing I hate the most. A Tatsumaki spammer. And maybe a Tatsumaki runner. Depends on the situation. Okay, now hopefully I used Suvio last time when it got cooked. Wild psychic time. Let's see how good this character is. Oh my god, it's the best guy to go against. Yeah. No, you get your ult really fast, and the ultimate is sick, by the way. Huh? I'm gonna try my best to do actual combos, but I do not know any. And wait, so that guy was a professional runner. He has like a PhD in running, bro. What is Blood Hunter's grasping? What did Blood just Hunter's grasp? He Hunter's grasped air. Look at this. Crushing pull, in some fury, and when Violet kills some fury. Look at that combo. Did that? Huh? Stone Coffin. Got him. Look at that, bro. Look, they can't do anything. If you're a passive player, look at that. What did Blood counter? Blood thought he was Goku. Oh, great. Oh, nice. Give me an opening. Great. Just great. He could have taken advantage of that, but he didn't. Some coffin. Hey. You just keep them at half it for eternity. I like these cool things though. Look at this. No. He got me with that. I'ma get him with a Hawk Tour. Why did I say Hawk Tour? I mean, it's 10 times more cost. Pew! Look at that. Now just gotta get him. Just got for the finishing blow. Okay, look at that, bro. This character is just too good. Look at his HP. Surprise attack. And he's cooked. It's that easy to cook a guy. Then when he respawns, and just go. Pew! Look. Miss a few. Got him. All about predictability. Okay, I missed. Oh, why did I do that? Come on, let's get him with this. What are you gonna do, bro? That's why you don't attack them. Oh no. But too late. So, what did bro think he would counter? We got him. Skill issue. Slight skill issue. Okay, that's it for this video. Bye bye at a hefty 5 minutes.